are you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. My armpit is fucking itching this shit out of me. For today's video, we've actually got this FINESSE CARAMICS complete protection kit. If you guys didn't know already, I did an interior one. I've already done the video on that. Now we have got to ceramic coat the outside of the vehicle. So we've got wheels, glass, and we've also got paintwork. I'm a noob at all of this, but basically ceramic coating is like, I like to say, a next level wax or sealant, you know. Some of these can last up to like 5 years. This one in particular lasts up to 12 months. I think mainly it's because it's aimed at beginners. Normal ceramic coating comes in this little like bottle, and that you obviously have to be very careful with. You'll have to apply it to your own foam pad, but this one, it comes in wipes. And it's made to be very, very simple. With this ceramic coating kit, what it will do is mainly, I would say, the main kind of feature is obviously protect your paint, as it adds basically like a wall around your actual paint. But it also does some hydrophobic shit. If you pour water on the car, it will come off or it will bead. So then, unfortunately, we're gonna have to play some boring ass montage of me cleaning the car because we have to, and then we can get on to the fun stuff, which is all the ceramic coating. So here you go. Thing I did was hand wash the car, but I'm not going to show that, partly because it's boring and I've done so many car washing videos on my channel, but also because my bumhole was out for half of it, because my bum crack was out for half of it, because I don't own a belt. So the car is like 70% clean at the moment. So for ceramic coating, what you want to do is you want to make sure that the paint is in pristine condition. I'm no expert. You want to make sure that it's 100% like clean, free from any like contaminants, because you know you want the ceramic coating to proper stick to the paintwork. So what I've got left to do is, this is the part that most people don't see in the car cleaning videos, because it's literally, I've only bought these two products because of this video. First thing we have got is Iron Out. Now this is basically a contaminant remover. So this will basically remove some harsh contaminants in the paintwork. Next thing we have got is we have got tar and glue remover, which is Obli Tar. Boom! So we're going to spray the Iron Out all over the car, literally everywhere. I'm going to spray the Obli Tar just on the bottom bit and where I think it should go. The Iron Out is now on the car, and you can't actually see it from far away like this. You have to get closer, you know. Once you get close, you can really see all the purpley bits. So then I did the whole of the car, and then I obviously rinsed it off, and then I repeated it with the Obli Tar just on the lower part of the car where it needed. Right then, let's quickly take a look inside one of the boxes, and then I'll kind of explain. The CARAMICS Complete Protection Kit comes with 3 kits in total. Obviously it comes with the paintwork, the wheel protection, and the glass ceramic coatings. So taking a look inside this nutty girl, we obviously get all of the resin wipes, which is what I was talking about. It's like baby wipes, but it's got ceramic coating diluted into the cloths. So we obviously get a lot of resin wipes, more than enough. And then it comes with the prep spray to make sure that the paintwork is juicy and glossy. Not actually glossy, like make sure there's nothing on the paint. Now unfortunately I have to ceramic coat my car outside, which isn't the best kind of thing to do. But obviously I can't fit my car in my garage, and I don't have a garage at my disposal to put my car in. So I don't think it will 100% matter. I know it's not going to rain today, it's a very nice day. The only thing is that's bad is the sun. Right, so quick thing. There was meant to be a clip here, me showing all of the products and the steps that I'm going to do to ceramic coat my Bugatti Veyron. It deleted itself, so I'm going to quickly explain right now. First thing that we need to do is we need to use the prep spray, which is right here. Ooh, look at my eyes, they look like I look like a beauty channel with, oh, look at them eyelashes. Right, so we need to use the prep spray, which is like an alcohol, I think, some sort of mixture. Make sure that the paintwork is literally in pristine condition to put the ceramic coating on. What we do is we obviously spray the prep spray onto the car and we wipe down all of the panels that we are going to use, or that we are going to put it on. And then once it's all dry and, you know, there's no more product left on the vehicle, we hit it with the baby wipes. Nice. So this is, what does it say? Ceramic resin wipes. So obviously this contains the ceramic coating. So what you do is you open these up and then you will work on panel by panel. Alright, anyway, back to the video. Right, got the prep spray right here, the cloth. Okay, so I think all of the paint is now looking good. As you guys can see, don't know if you guys can, it's looking all crystal clear. I did actually clay bar it and polish it a little bit, but there you guys have it. The next step is obviously to ceramic coat it properly. So then with this, I'm gonna open it and then spread it all across panels. I'm out of breath. Honestly, I need to work on my fitness, blooming heck. I'm gonna set the GoPro up. It's gonna be hard to film on this camera, so I'm gonna set it up and, you know, basically do it. Right, so opening it up. And now we're gonna work from middle out. After about 5 minutes, you should notice that the ceramic coating has actually set onto the car, and this is when you want to buff off the ceramic coating using microfiber cloth and get that bit off your car. I then moved on to the rest of the car, and honestly, it's very, very satisfying to do, but you can easily, on larger panels like the side of the car, get lost on what you've actually done and what you haven't done. But yeah, again, really, really satisfying. Next thing we're going to go on to is the wheel protection kit. This one's a little bit different because you actually have to spray it on and then wipe it in with your microfiber cloths that they include. So we've got the prep spray and then we've got the wheel coating, and then we've got some black gloves again. Honestly, the car's looking sick right now. I mean, look at that. The wheel ceramic coating kit is exactly the same as the paintwork. Honestly, easy peasy lemon squeezy, I swear to God. So obviously, first step we need to do is obviously prep the paint for the ceramic coating. So we go in, we hit the wheel like a bolt with the prep spray, and we make sure that there's no dirt remaining on the wheel. Honestly, sometimes I forget to actually commentate what I'm doing in the moment. However, what I'm doing right now is I'm spraying the wheel coating, which is the ceramic coating, onto the wheel. And it says put a good amount of ceramic coating on there. I didn't worry about missing spots because you are actually meant to work this in with the microfiber cloths that they include. Right then, time to buff off the ceramic coating. You can see it kind of, can you see it? I don't know, you can see it kind of like, I don't know, like setting almost. First step was paintwork, done. Out the bag, boy. Second step, wheels, literally done. Next step is a glass, and what do we have in here? So this kit obviously comes with the residue like wipes, and then it comes with glass polish as like the prep spray, but prep polish basically. And then the residue remover is applied after the ceramic coating is set. Let's open the glass polish first. gonna put a little bit on here. It literally looks like blue tack or something. Yeah, we've got a bit of glass polish there. And then I guess we're just gonna work it in. Right, so the next thing is the glass wipe. Again. Oh, I think I just got that on my nose. Okay, right, the last thing is the residue remover. So I'm going to spray it on and then remove all of the leftover ceramic coating. I think that is it for the glass. I'm going to do the rest of the glass and then I'll see you tomorrow. It is the next day and honestly, the car is absolutely looking like a oof. So then, warning you right now, there's going to be a sexy montage in just a second. And yeah, 3, 2, 1. So the car is looking like absolutely amazing. We've put the tyre gel on, as you guys can see. It doesn't really look black on that, but let's have a look at this one. This one proper looks nice. Look at all the beads on the top of the car, look. It just doesn't want to stick. Oh my god, that's great. But yeah, literally, my plan is right now is to, there's a little bit of grass there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to dig a little bit up. Sorry to the planet or whoever's grass that is. I'm going to dig like a tiny bit of dirt up and just put it in a bucket with water. And then mix it all around and we're going to have some muddy water and then we're going to chuck over the car. We've literally just cleaned this car and it's looking stunning. So we've got all the cameras set up and we've got the muddy water. Honestly, you know, I have high hopes for this. Look at how well it beads. I want to know your guys' predictions. Will it all come off? Will it all stay on? I don't know. Oh, that's better than I expected. Look at that. I'm starstruck. Look at the beads. Honestly, this is why you need a ceramic coating. I don't know why I've never had one before, but look. It's like the dirt goes into the water and there's literally no dirt on the car. Genuinely, I'm actually starstruck by that. Mate, it actually looks like a painting or something. You can literally see all the dirt inside it. If this is right, I should just be able to wash it off, like, look. Oh my god. Alright then boys, so unfortunately that is the end of today's video, and honestly, if you have never looked into ceramic coat in your car, 150% at least look at it. Mate, I think the paintwork protection kit is roughly £39 maybe? Let me have a quick look, for you guys. The ceramics paintwork, which is the main kind of thing, is £39 roughly. Unfortunately, that is the end of today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you did enjoy, please hit the subscribe button. Aiming for 40,000 subscribers. We only just hit 30,000, but we're aiming for 40,000. Yeah, follow me on Instagram at @_OtherStuff if you did enjoy this video. Hit the like button if you did enjoy and hit the dislike button if you didn't. From me, that is unfortunately the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy, and I'll see your faces in my next video. What?